today I will description how you can use dizabo customer. First thing we will go to Google Play, write dizabo. We will find here dizabo and dizabo all online shopping, dizabo seller, dizabo writer. Okay, no need to using this. We will using dizabo. First one, make install. Okay, now we make it install. Once you finish, I will open to make registration. So now I will make open. First time we saw like that, okay, but he's open for application now, but I didn't make any registration yet. So what I do, I will go to my details. If I have username and password, if I already installed in registration before, I can write username and password, but actually this first time for me. So what I will do, I will go to register, write my name, Jamal Muhammad, then my email, check your email correct. Okay, Jamal Muhammad. My password M12345678 confirm your password again, capital M 12345678. You should put it first letter capital. Okay, select your country. I'm from AUA because I stay in AUA now. So I go to United Arab Emirates. My phone 058-919-4746. Then I make registration now. He told me I will send to you OTP. Now I received the OTP. Automatically he will open for me OTP. I send it now. Okay, he open it now. Okay, then now I can make it any ordering. All this categories. If I looking for restaurant, I go to click here. I found all restaurant here. Any restaurant near me. Okay, I should go to first to my details again to check everything. Add new address. I should put it my address. Allow all the time. I should make it allow all the time. To select it my address now. Okay, then he will select it my address. Go back again, make again, because he make it drop in. Now I am here in Dira. Then I will make continue. I will write address, title, Riga, saving. Now my address, Riga Street, behind automatic restaurant Dira. Then I will go to home. I can go to any restaurant. If I looking for Baliwag restaurant, this is good restaurant. I go to make ordering from him. How I can make ordering? I will call cola. I want 2 cola. Yes, put it in my shirt. Then I will go back, put it now. I want avocado. I like avocado. Cheeky. Yes. Then I go to special food. Actually I like I like grilled corn. Yes, I will put it. Many thanks. Okay. Then I will make this ordering here. I will make 3 because I have my friends here. Then now I add it. Totally I have 51. That's my bill. Then I will continue. Okay. I can pay 2 times here. I have here on cash or later. It's on the same day or later. I can't. If I check in same day, I will receive today. If I want and on another time, I can select it any time. And 21, 23, anything you want. Okay, can select it. I will select my address here because I can add any address. If I want another address, I can put it another address. Okay, and another location and continue same that. If I have 2 home, 3 home, I won't send it for which one I should select it. Then I will receive my ordering from my home. So I need it now. Okay, as soon as possible. I will accept it to payment. I will payment now. My method payment on cash on delivery or credit. Actually, I have cash. I will pay cash. Okay. If credit, you should put it the number of card and everything. CV number. This is period your card. Which month your card it will become expired. Then I will go to delivery, cash on delivery. This is my bill. Okay. Now I will make checkout. Okay. They put it here VAT. No delivery fee. Delivery fee it's free. Okay. Just this I make it ordering 3 things. So and also I make details for my order. I can make a checkout here. Total amount 51. Now my order. This is my order. Okay. I make it from Baliwag. Now I waiting to his preparing and dispatch to driver ticket to deliver it to me. Once he deliver it, once I give to rider money, he will deliver it and already done.